The S8 Pro remote controller supports 4 modes, each corresponding to a different flight simulator. Today, we'll explain in detail how to connect each mode for a quick start. Press the mode key to switch to the blue light. Enter the calibration page in the Phoenix simulator. Follow the prompts to complete the calibration step by step. Center both joysticks and click Next. Move all joysticks and levers to their maximum position, then return to center. Push all rear levers to their maximum limits. Assign functions as prompted: throttle, direction, pitch or yaw, and rear levers. Press the mode key to switch to the green light. Adjust the 4 rear levers. The leftmost lever is for mode switching. Another lever adjusts the camera angle. The right lever switches the view. The other lever controls the motor. Hold the mode key until the purple light turns on. Go to controller settings and select USB remote. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete neutral point and travel calibration. Then choose a 3D flight scene to test complex maneuver responses. Hold the mode key to switch to the yellow light. Manually or automatically calibrate channels in the simulator settings. Push the joysticks to ensure correct software recognition. Then, select free flight mode to check control precision. Whether you're a beginner or a professional pilot, the S8 Pro's 4 modes have you covered. Give them a try now. Don't forget to like and follow next time. We'll teach you more tips.